Hi everyone. Today I will tell you how to recite the Talbiyah. Now, what is the Talbiyah, you might ask? Well, the Talbiyah is a dua in which we say the Hajj and Umrah. Talbiyah, when men recite the Talbiyah, they recite it loudly. When women recite it, they recite it softly. The Talbiyah shall be recited in any conditions. Now I will tell you how to recite the Talbiyah. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, labbaik la sharika laka labbaik, innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Sunnah method of reciting the Talbiyah is to pause at 4 places. We should recite the Talbiyah in all conditions like walking, running, driving in a vehicle, etc. We should recite the Talbiyah in a lot of more conditions like changing time when it's dawn or night, or when coming in a vehicle or coming out of a vehicle. Here I am, O Allah, here I am. Here I am, you have no partner, here I am. All praises and favors to you, and yours the kingdom, and you have no partner. I hope you like my Talbiyah video. I will make more Hajj videos. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Bye!